Try this sentence. After that, I change my clothes.
After that, I change my clothes.
Small correction. We say clothes, always plural. So, I change my clothes.
After that, I change my clothes.
Perfect. Good job. Quick question for you. What do you usually do after work?
After work? I feel this question is dangerous. But okay. I usually try to relax.
That sounds very healthy already.
Try is the important word here.
Fair enough. Well, today, that's exactly what we are going to practice together. How to talk about your evening routine in English.
My evening routine. Okay, that sounds useful. And slightly personal.
Don't worry, we'll keep it friendly, simple, and realistic. When we talk about our evening routine, we usually speak about what we do after work, the order of actions, and how we relax or prepare for sleep. It often follows a natural flow. First, you arrive home, then you eat or relax, and finally, you get ready for bed.
That makes sense. My evenings are very structured. I am joking. They are chaos with good intentions.
That's perfect for practice then. Imagine this situation, Jack. You meet a coworker, maybe in the elevator or in the hallway. They ask you, what do you do in the evening? Nothing complicated, just simple sentences.
Okay, no life story, just survival English.
Exactly. Simple, clear, and natural. Let's start with the first moment of the evening. Imagine you just finished work and you arrived home. A very common sentence is, I usually get home around, and then you add the time.
Okay, time is friendly. Time doesn't judge.
True. Go ahead, try it.
I usually get home around 7 p.m.
Very good. That sentence is perfect. You can also add a small detail if you want, like how you feel.
Oh, I feel many things at 7 p.m.
Let's choose one calm feeling. For example, I usually get home around 7 p.m. and I feel tired.
I usually get home around 7 p.m. and I feel tired.
Excellent. Clear, natural, and very real. After you get home, people often talk about what they do next. Maybe you change clothes, maybe you eat, maybe you sit on the couch and do nothing. All of these are fine.
Doing nothing is allowed. Good.
Very allowed. Let's practice a common structure. After that, I plus the action.
Okay, after that, I do something impressive?
Or something honest.
Honest it is.
Try this sentence. After that, I change my clothes.
After that, I change my clothes.
Small correction. We say clothes, always plural. So, I change my clothes.
After that, I change my clothes.
Perfect. Good job. You can also say, I take a shower or I sit on the couch.
After that, I take a shower.
Very good. Smooth and natural. Now, let's talk about food. Evenings and food are very good friends.
Finally, a topic I understand emotionally.
Many people say, I have dinner or I eat dinner in the evening.
Simple enough.
Try combining it with time or order. For example, then I have dinner.
Then I have dinner.
Great. You can also add who you eat with or how you feel.
Then I have dinner alone, but peacefully.
That is a very adult sentence and very correct. Now let's make it a little longer. Try this sentence. In the evening, I usually cook dinner.
In the evening, I usually cook dinner.
Perfect. Now try, I eat dinner around 8 o'clock.
I eat dinner around 8 o'clock.
Excellent. Let's try one more, just to practice verbs.
Uh-oh.
Don't worry. Say, after dinner, I watch TV.
After dinner, I watch the TV.
Small correction. In general, we say watch TV without the.
After dinner, I watch TV.
Perfect. And thank you for waiting and correcting calmly. That's how learning works.
I am learning to breathe through grammar.
In the evening, people often talk about relaxing. Common verbs are watch, read, listen, or scroll, though maybe we don't say that one too proudly.
My phone knows my evening routine better than I do.
Many phones do. Let's practice something simple. In the evening, I like to...
In the evening, I like to watch TV.
Great. Try another one.
In the evening, I like to listen to music.
Very nice, clear and calm. Finally, evenings usually end with preparing for bed. This is where people say things like, I go to bed, or I brush my teeth, or I check my alarm.
The alarm, my enemy and my protector.
Exactly. Let's practice a common sentence. I usually go to bed around...
I usually go to bed around 11 p.m.
Very good. You can also say how you feel.
I usually go to bed around 11 p.m. and I feel sleepy.
Perfect. Very natural English. Now, let's prepare for a real conversation. Imagine I am your coworker and I ask you, what do you usually do in the evening?
Okay, no panic.
Hey, Jack, what do you usually do in the evening?
Well, I usually get home around 7 p.m. After that, I change my clothes and take a shower. Then I have dinner and watch TV. In the evening, I like to listen to music. I usually go to bed around 11 p.m.
That was excellent, Jack. Clear, well-structured, and very natural.
Wow, my evening just became organized. In English, at least.
That's a big step. And the best part is, these sentences work in real life. You can reuse them with friends, coworkers, or even at a dinner invitation.
Good, because tonight I might actually talk to people.
Then you are ready. Next, we'll see how this sounds in a real situation, with real interruptions, real reactions, and maybe a little confusion.
I feel both excited and grammatically alert.
That's the perfect feeling to end the evening practice. Jack, this is a good moment to practice. Just be yourself and speak slowly.
Okay, I feel ready and slightly brave.
Good. Look, your neighbor is here.
All right, let's do it.
Oh, hi. You must be Jack, right?
Yes, hi, I'm Jack. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. I'm Emma. We keep meeting in this hallway, but never really talk.
Yes, this hallway knows all my secrets already.
Long day?
Yeah, a little. I just got home from work.
Same here. Evenings feel good after work, don't they?
Yes, they really do.
You look relaxed now. What do you usually do in the evening?
Well, I usually get home around 7 p.m.
That's a reasonable time.
After that, I change my clothes and take a shower.
That sounds nice already.
It is the best part of the day sometimes.
I understand that very well.
Then I usually have dinner.
Do you cook or do you order food?
I usually cook dinner.
Oh, that's great. What do you like to cook?
Simple food. Pasta, rice, things that do not fight back.
I like that description.
I eat dinner around 8 o'clock.
That's about my time too. And after dinner, do you relax or stay busy?
After dinner, I watch TV.
Any favorite shows?
I like watching TV shows.
Nice. Comedy? Drama?
Comedy. I like to laugh in the evening.
Same. Laughing helps me unwind.
Unwind?
Yeah, unwind, like relax after a long day.
Ah, okay. Yes, I like to unwind too.
Do you do anything else in the evening?
Sometimes I listen to music.
Nice. At night, music feels different.
Yes, it feels calmer.
Exactly.
And sometimes I read a little.
Fiction or nonfiction?
Mostly fiction. It helps me forget the day.
That's a good evening habit. And what about bedtime? Do you go to bed early?
I usually go to bed around 11.
That's not too late.
Before bed, I brush my tooth.
Teeth, not tooth, Jack.
Excuse me. Before bed, I brush my teeth.
Very responsible.
I try to be responsible at least once a day.
Evenings are a good time for that.
What about you? What do you do in the evening?
Well, I usually get home around 6:30.
Oh, earlier than me.
Yes, after that, I change clothes and make dinner.
Do you cook every day?
Almost every day. Sometimes I order food if I'm tired.
That sounds fair.
After dinner, I usually read or watch TV.
Very similar evenings.
Yes, very similar. Then I get ready for bed around 10:30.
That sounds organized.
Only in the evening. Do you like your evenings here?
Yes, I do. They are calm.
That's important.
In the evening, I like quiet moments.
Me too. The day is noisy enough.
Exactly.
Well, I should start my evening routine now.
Yes, me too. I still need to eat dinner.
Oh, then I won't keep you.
It was really nice talking with you.
Same here. And your English is very clear, by the way.
Oh, thank you. That means a lot.
Maybe we can talk again another evening.
I would like that.
Have a nice evening, Jack.
You too. Enjoy your evening. That went well.
It really did. You spoke naturally, and you followed the evening routine step by step.
My evening routine is officially social now.
And real life helped you practice without pressure.
I actually enjoyed it.
That's the best sign of progress. Jack, we used a lot of useful evening words today. Let's take a moment and go over them together.
Yes, I'm actually excited. These words feel very real to my life.
That's the best kind of vocabulary. Let's start with something very simple we used early on. Get home.
Ah, yes. Get home. That's when the workday officially ends.
Exactly. You use it when you arrive at your place after work.
I noticed I say it every day now. I get home around 7. It feels honest.
And very natural. That's how people really talk. And right after that, you mentioned change clothes.
Yes, that moment when jeans say goodbye.
I love that image. It's simply what you do when you stop wearing your work clothes and put on something comfortable.
For me, that word means freedom.
Speaking of comfort, you also said take a shower.
Exactly. That one is very important.
You use it when you clean up and relax after the day.
It's not just water, it's mental reset.
Exactly. And that feeling came through when you said it. Then we naturally moved to food. Have dinner.
The most serious evening activity.
Totally. You use have dinner or eat dinner when you talk about your main evening meal.
I liked that I could say it without details and it still felt complete.
That's the beauty of simple English. And sometimes you don't just eat, you cook dinner.
Cooking sounds impressive, but for me, it's very basic.
And that's perfect. You use cook dinner when you prepare food yourself, even if it's simple.
Pasta officially counts then.
100%. You also mentioned the opposite option, order food.
That's my backup plan.
You use it when you don't cook and get food from a restaurant.
Emotionally, it means I tried today.
And English agrees with that feeling. After dinner, you said watch TV.
And not the TV. I learned that one.
Exactly. You say watch TV when you look at programs or shows.
That correction stayed in my head, in a good way.
And you didn't just watch TV, you talked about TV shows.
Right. I realized it sounds more specific.
It does. TV shows refers to the programs you follow, like comedy or drama.
Saying that made me feel more conversational.
Because it is. Which brings us to comedy.
That one matches my personality.
Comedy is a type of show that makes you laugh.
And helps me forget my accent for a moment.
Laughter helps language learning too. Emma also used the word unwind. Remember that moment?
Yes, I had to think for a second.
You use unwind when you relax and let the stress go.
I like that word. It feels gentle.
It is very common in evening conversations. You also said you listen to music.
That one feels personal.
You use it when music helps you relax or enjoy the moment.
I noticed I speak more slowly when I say that sentence.
That's a good sign. You're connecting emotion and language, and sometimes instead of music, you read.
Especially before bed.
You use read when you spend time with a book or story.
It makes my evening feel quieter.
Exactly the right word choice. Then we moved closer to night with go to bed.
The final decision of the day.
You use it when you stop activities and prepare to sleep.
Saying the time with it made me feel very adult.
And very natural. Right before that, you mentioned brush my teeth.
Yeah, and I've learned that we use the plural form teeth, not the singular tooth. I will never forget that too.
That's a classic one. You use it when you talk about cleaning your teeth before sleep.
That small correction helped a lot.
Small details make big progress. We also talked about bedtime.
That word feels peaceful.
Bedtime refers to the moment you prepare to sleep.
It sounds nicer than I'm tired.
It really does. And finally, we talked about how evenings feel. Calm.
Quiet smile. That word describes my evenings perfectly.
You use calm when things are quiet and relaxed.
I like that English lets me say that simply.
Okay, viewers, and if you enjoyed this lesson,
Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one.
we'll keep practicing English together, step by step.
And one evening at a time.